This compact folding red dot sight from TRSAIM tucks flat when stored, yet flips up quickly, making it ideal for pistols that need to stay snag-free in a holster or bag. The 3-minute of angle dot offers a clean, precise aiming point that balances fast target acquisition with enough refinement for accurate shots at typical handgun distances. Its housing is machined from durable aluminum alloy with a matte black anodized finish, giving it solid impact and weather resistance that inspires confidence on a working firearm. A multi-layered coated lens with a generous window size delivers good light transmission and a wide field of view, helping you track the target without feeling boxed in. The package includes mounting options for Glock modular optic system slides, RMR pattern footprints, and standard 20mm picatinny rails, so it can move between different guns without extra hardware. Overall, this sight feels like a thoughtfully designed option for shooters who want a low-profile flip-up optic that adds speed and visibility without adding much bulk.